henna lagai और दोनों sides that's fairy looking vibe because I had these like butterfly clips and then I had the butterfly bags. We had like I made
So assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to the new bombastic video. So today is very special video because it is not a video, it is podcast for with my special guest. So cameraman, introduce the guest. Ta-da! My cousin. So introduce yourself.
My name is Amna and I'm Murtaza's cousin from Australia. My name is Mehdi and I'm Murtaza's cousin from Australia, but I don't speak Urdu that much.
So, and as you know, I'm the host of the podcast, Sayyid Murtaza and the one of the host of this channel. So guys, our first question is that which one difference between you like Pakistan Eid or Australia Eid?
Pakistan Eid because we have all our relatives, family, we have all our cousins, and especially Eid. In Australia, we only have 2 people to get Eid from, our parents. And no one else.
So the second question it was when you will also you celebrate the Eid in the Pakistan, so you explore the traditions and also the food. Do you like the Pakistan tradition and food?
To me, I would say the food would be really spicy, but the tradition is like special to me.
Okay. You said in Australia no one can get you the Eid.
Yeah.
Do you celebrate Eid alone or the friends get together? Alone?
Yeah.
Okay. So your friends are Muslims in Australia or?
Yeah. Some of our friends.
Okay. So and the third question was your previously Eids are good or the now is good?
I would say the previous one is good, but I like this one more.
Okay. But you said 30% previous and 70% new.
I should think how much money I got, and then I realized I forgot how much money I got, so I counted 2,290. And I wear like a brown shirt, like Mortaza is wearing. Yeah, like Mortaza. I also wear like a jacket thing. It was like so small.
Basket. He wear on Eid basket and shalwar kameez. And Anna, what you wears on the Eid?
On the first Eid, a maroon looking like
What
dress.
is called shalwar kameez?
Yeah, like that.